is Sony Bravia OLED. Sony Bravia includes a range of television models, some of which use OLED technology while others use LED or mini LED. OLED, organic light emitting diode, technology is known for its deep blacks, vibrant colors, and superior contrast, making it a premium choice for high-end televisions. However, not all Sony Bravia TVs are OLED, as the lineup includes multiple display technologies catering to different user needs. 1. Sony Bravia and OLED technology. Sony Bravia offers OLED models that deliver exceptional picture quality with self-emissive pixels, allowing perfect black levels and infinite contrast. These models are designed for a cinematic viewing experience. 2. Difference between Sony Bravia OLED and LED. Unlike LED TVs, which rely on a backlight, Sony Bravia OLED TVs have individual pixels that emit their own light. This eliminates the need for backlighting, resulting in deeper blacks, better contrast, and a more immersive display. Third key features of Sony Bravia OLED TVs. Sony Bravia OLED models include advanced technologies like XR OLED Contrast Pro for enhanced brightness, XR Treluminos Pro for rich colors, and acoustic surface audio plus for immersive sound directly from the screen. 4. How to identify a Sony Bravia OLED TV. Step 1. Check the model name. Sony Bravia OLED models usually have A in their series name, e.g. A80L, A95K. Step 2. Look for OLED branding on the TV specifications or packaging. Step 3. Visit Sony's official website and search for the model to confirm if it's OLED. 5. Sony Bravia OLED versus other Sony TV technologies. Sony also offers LED and mini LED Bravia models with technologies like full array LED and XR backlight master drive for enhanced brightness and contrast. While these provide excellent performance, OLED models are superior in terms of black levels and viewing angles. 6. Should you choose a Sony Bravia OLED TV? If you prioritize picture quality, deep blacks, and a premium viewing experience, a Sony Bravia OLED TV is an excellent choice. However, if you need a brighter display for well-lit rooms or a more budget-friendly option, Sony's LED or mini LED Bravia models may be more suitable. Sony Bravia includes both OLED and non-OLED models, so it's essential to check the specifications before making a purchase. If you seek cutting-edge display quality and immersive visuals, a Sony Bravia OLED TV is a top-tier option.